In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stop malicious Google Chrome extensions on your Active Directory domain using group policy objects GPO on Windows Server 2019 or 2025. First of all, go to Google Chrome browser. In search type Chrome ADMX template download. Then hit enter. And here you will find Chrome Enterprise browser download for Windows and Mac. Click on this link, download the most trusted enterprise browser. Click on download Chrome. Here under channel, select stable. In file type, select bundle and architecture 64-bit. Now click on accept and download. Close this pop-up window and download is started. Download is finished. Click on open in folder. To unzip, right click on the downloaded zip file. Click on extract all. Then click on extract. Open configuration folder. Then open ADMX folder. Scroll down and here you will find chrome.admx. Open another file explorer. Go to this PC. Go to C drive. I am keeping two file explorer parallelly. Go to Windows. Scroll down. You will find here policy definitions. Open it and right click on chrome.admx and click on copy and paste it in policy definitions folder. Then find language folder ENUS. Open it and here you will find chrome.adml. Right click on it and copy and paste it into ENUS folder. Right click on empty area and click on paste. Now close both file explorer. On server manager, click on tools. Then click on group policy management. Expand your forest. Then expand domains. Expand your domain name. Then expand group policy object. Right click on default domain policy and click on edit. Under computer configuration, expand policies. Hover your mouse pointer on administrative template and you will find here policy definitions ADMX file retrieved from local computer. You have to enable policy definitions ADMX files retrieved from central store. Minimize group policy editor and minimize group policy object. Minimize server manager. Open file explorer. Here policy definitions folder is in C drive Windows folder. Go to Windows folder. Right click on policy definitions and click on copy. Scroll down. Go to SYSVOL. Double click on SYSVOL again. Here you will find your domain name. Double click on your domain name. Click on policies and paste the policy definition folder here. This is the way to enable group policy central store. Close group policy editor and close group policy management. Go to server manager. Click on tools. Open group policy management again. And again right click on default domain policy and click on edit. Then hover your mouse pointer on administrative template again and you will find now policy definitions ADMX files retrieved from central store. Close the group policy object. Here in group policy management under domains, right click on your domain name and click on Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Give a GPO name. I'm giving the name Chrome Extensions Security Policy. Click on OK. GPO is created. Right click on your GPO and click on Edit. Under Computer Configuration, expand Policies. Then expand as Administrative Template. Here you will find Google Chrome. Expand Google Chrome and you will find here extensions. Click on extensions. Here you will find two settings. Configure extension installation allow list and configure extension installation block list. First right click on block list and click on edit. Then click on enabled and click on show button. Here under value set asterisk means all. Block all extensions. Now click on apply and click on OK. Then click on configure extension installation allow list and click on enabled. Under exception ID block list, click on show and here you will add only allowed extensions. Your domain users can only install these extensions on the domain computer's Google Chrome. Now the question is, where from we can find the extensions ID? Go to Google Chrome, in search type Chrome Web Store, hit enter and click on Chrome Web Store. Then click on extensions. Click on any extensions which you want to permit. Then go to address bar and the last portion of the URL before slash is the extension ID. Just select it and right click on it and click on copy. Go to GPO setting and under value just paste the extension ID. You can add as many as extension ID you need to add on your GPO setting. Then click on OK. Then click on apply. Click on OK. And settings are enabled. Close group policy editor and close GPO. Right click on the start menu. Click on run. In run type GPUpdate/force. Click on OK. Updating the group policy to enforce settings immediately to apply in the domain. This is the best way to stop malicious Chrome extensions on your domain using Windows Server 2019 or 2012 group policy object. That's it.